Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you the Ash Grove. It's from our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. The Ash Grove has 6 chords. It uses a C chord, a D minor, a G7, an F, a G, and a D7. For the Ash Grove, the strumming pattern I'm using most of the time is down, down, up, down. Now, when you're first learning it, it's easiest to go down, down, down. This song is originally a Welsh harp song, so I wanted to imitate the sound of the harp on the second verse of singing, so I do a fingerpicking pattern that goes like this. I'm going to play the outer 2 strings with these 2 fingers, my thumb and my middle finger. So I go out, out, and then the inner 2 twice. That gives me my 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and. It's written out in the tab so you can read it in the book. And then finally, when I do play the melody, this is kind of what I would call a rangy song, meaning that it doesn't really fit in the key of C on the ukulele very well. So I change the octaves when I'm playing it so I don't end up way up here. And so I'm trying to make it as playable as possible. You'll hear the octave switches. It still is the melody, it just is not quite the way we sing it. Enjoy! The ash grove, how graceful, how plainly it's speaking, the wind through it playing as language for me. When over its branches the sunlight is breaking, a host of kind faces is gazing at me. The friends of my childhood again are before me. Each step wakes a memory as freely I roam. With soft whispers laden, its leaves rustle over me. The ash grove that sheltered my home. My laughter is over, my step loses lightness, old countryside measures still soft on my ear. I only remember the past and its brightness, the dear ones I mourn for again gather here. From out of the shadows their loving looks greet.